In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students, I hope that you all are fine. I am your computer science teacher Haider Ali, and today we are going to discuss about some features of Microsoft Office Microsoft Word 2010. Before moving towards the lecture, I just want to share the cover page of the book that we are following. It's basically this foundation series online with computers book 6 based on Windows 7 and Microsoft Office 2010. Before moving towards the new topic, let's discuss about the previous knowledge. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about page margin, page orientation, paragraph spacing and line spacing. So basically, what is page margin? Page margin is the blank space around the edges of the page, as we have discussed this before as well. And what is page orientation? Orientation is basically the layout position of the document. And if we talk about paragraph spacing is basically the spacing between the paragraphs. And if we talk about line spacing is basically the space between the lines in a paragraph of a Word document. And we also did the practical work regarding page margin, orientation, paragraph spacing and line spacing. Moving towards a new topic, it's basically chapter number 3, page number 37, and the chapter name is Microsoft Word 2010. So I am repeating, chapter number 3, page number 37. So those students who have book, kindly open your book in front of yourself. Today we will cover the 4 minor topics related to Microsoft Word 2010, and our first topic is how to insert symbols. In MS Word, there are some special symbols which you can insert in your Word document. So here you can see that how we have to insert symbol. From the interface of Microsoft Word, first we need to click insert button, and after clicking the insert we will be having an option symbol, and from this symbol button we can insert such symbols. These symbols are basically special characters. We also have to discuss that how to apply shadow effects to the shape. And how we have to apply the shadow effect to the shape. First we will insert some shape like this, and then we will click the shape. Once we click the shape, a format tab will appear. So then we will click the format tab, and then we will go to shape effects, and from here we will go to shadow effect, and then we can insert shadow effect to the shape. The third minor topic that we have to discuss today is how to apply 3D effects to shapes. Similarly, if we have a picture, we have to apply some 3D effect. First we will insert some picture or shape, and then we will click that shape. After clicking that shape, we will go to format, and from format we will go to shape effects, and from here we will go to 3D rotation, and from here we will apply 3D effect to any shape. The fourth topic will be how to change the position of an object or image. So we can place an object or image at different positions anywhere within the text. So how we have to apply it? We will be applying it by clicking the page layout tab and then position, and from this position we can insert our object or change the position of our object or image anywhere within the text. So you can see the example here. The picture is at the very front, at the very start of the text. So how we have to change the position, we will see this in the practical as well. Okay student, here now we will implement the 4 topics that we have just discussed. Our first topic was how to insert symbol. So in order to insert symbol, we first of all we have to click insert. Our cursor is here. First of all we click insert. Then here we have a symbol option. From here we can insert any symbol. Let's suppose I am going to insert greater and equal to. This is basically a symbol. I will click it, and here you can see that we have inserted a symbol here. So this was the first topic, that how we have to insert symbol. Now our next topic is how to apply shadow effects to the shape. So in order to apply shadow effects to any shape, first of all we need to insert some shape. So for this purpose we will go to insert, then shapes, and let's suppose I am going to insert a rectangle. Let's draw a rectangle here. So this is the shape that I have inserted. So now I have to apply shadow effects to the shape. First of all, we will click the picture and then we will go to format tab, and then from here we have a shape effects. Once we click it, then we will click the shadow effects, and from here we can apply any shadow to the picture. Let me take this picture here so you can observe it properly. Now click the picture, format tab, shape effects, shadow, and from here you can see the shadow is changing. Let's apply this shadow. So you can see when I come here we can see the shadow of the picture. So this is basically the shadow of a picture. If we move it, the shadow will also move. So this is basically we have applied shadow effect to the shape. Now our next topic is how to apply 3D effects to some shape. This is the shape, and let's suppose I am supposed to apply 3D effect to this shape. Then what will I do? First of all, I will click this picture, then I will go to format tab. Again I will click the shape effects. At the very last we have 3D rotation, and I'm going to, let's suppose I'm going to change the position like this. So here you can see that I have applied the 3D effect to shape. So this is basically how you apply the 3D effect to any shape. And our today's last topic was how to change the position of an object or image. So in order to change the position of object or image or shape, what we have to do, we have to click the picture, then we have to go to format tab, and here we have to go to position, and from here we can apply any position to this shape. Let's suppose by clicking this, here you can see the picture has basically came here. This is basically how you have to change the position of an object or image. Once again I am going to change the position, so I have to click this shape, then format, then position, and let's do it. So this is now in between the text. Now the position is basically in between the text. So this is how to change the position of an object or image. And changing positioning is basically you can take your object or image at different positions anywhere within the text. So this was the end of the lecture. In today's lecture we have discussed about some features of Microsoft Word, in which we have seen that how to insert symbols, we have seen that how to apply 3D effect to shape, and we have also observed that how we have to apply shadow effects to the shape. And at the last we have discussed how to change the position of an object or image. So this was all from today's lecture. So student, if you have any query regarding these 4 topics, then you can ask me directly, or you can send your queries to your concerned coordinator. We will meet in the next lecture, and our next lecture will be on Monday. Till that, take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.